This tutorial review will show you how to use the Stitch tool on TikTok. Stitch is a creation tool that allows you to combine another video on TikTok with one you are creating. If you allow another person to stitch with your video, they can use a part of your video as a part of their own video. Keep in mind, you must have a public account to allow others to stitch with your videos. To stitch a video on TikTok, in the TikTok app, tap the share button on the side of the video you would like to stitch. And here search for stitch. Once you get it, tap on stitch. Now, choose the part of the video you would like to stitch. Then tap on next at the top right. Tap the record button to start and stop your recording. Then tap the check mark. Edit your video from here. Here we can see the result. Then tap on next. Tap on post, and that's how we can use the Stitch tool on TikTok. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.